Hey, Katie.
Hey.
Happy Tuesday Newsday.
Woohoo! We're back for another.
I know, I know. I seem to do a lot of Tuesday Newsdays.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's a fun time. We love you though.
Oh, I love
We
you
love
too.
you.
It is a fun time, and we just have so much to talk
I
about.
know. There's so many new things happening and all the fun projects.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
It's
lots,
crazy.
lots of.
And I feel like February came so fast.
I know. Well,
So
it's
fast.
so fast. The year is already just flying
I
by.
know.
Yeah. Although sometimes January, there were
I
days there in
know.
January. It was like, is it still January? Can it
Yes.
still be January?
Yes. Well, I think the cold. The cold really does it for me.
Mm-hmm.
It's still so
It
cold.
has been so cold here.
I'm ready for spring,
Mm-hmm.
please.
It's on the way. It's on the
Yes.
way. So, yeah, we don't have too much longer to wait, and the days are getting a little bit longer. So,
It's true.
yeah, we know
It's
spring's.
looking up.
That's right. We know spring is coming. So,
So good.
yes. So that's kind of how the weather has been here in Hamilton. Just cold, consistent.
Yes.
Consistent Midwestern weather.
Yep.
But we're kind of used to it.
Yeah. The back and forth. The one day it's, above freezing and the next 3 days it's far below.
Right.
So
We had some days where it was up in the like 50s and almost 60 degrees, and then it would plummet down to below zero. So,
yep.
yeah, it's pretty typical. But
Yep. We're pretty flexible here.
yes, it builds character.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
But we're just happy it's February, and February is National Embroidery Month.
Woohoo.
So, yeah, I know
Love it.
we love embroidery. I love handwork, you know that.
Me too. Me
Mhm.
too. It's one of my favorites.
Mm-hmm.
It's something that I did a little bit when I was younger, and then I've slowly started picking up more on. So,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
yep.
Same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fun. I like it, and it's fun to see the process and like how it goes from just a little bit to really just something, and I love it.
Sometimes it's not as intimidating as uh, thinking about a big project.
Yes.
Doing something small and then
Yes.
building on it and building on it. It makes it a little easier to digest, maybe.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Well, what have you been working on, like as far as embroidery?
Well, we have a newish kit that is for Valentine's Day, and it is called Sew in Love. And of course, it has the
Cute.
peel and stitch and all of the pattern instructions here on the cards. And this is the one that I'm working on currently. Isn't she cute?
She is so cute. Look at those hearts too.
I love the hearts. Yeah,
That's so cute.
that satin stitch that always turns out.
Look at that
so
giant
nice.
needle minder.
I know, that's an Ingrid's that came with a needle case. I love this. I seem to be collecting a lot of needle minders. So, yeah,
They're cute.
I know they're.
I feel
very
like they'd
cute.
even make cute like fridge magnets.
Uh-huh.
Just like to keep up there.
Yes, I have one of those cute little metal toolboxes
Oh
where the cute
yeah.
little, and it's pink, and so when I open the lid, I put all of my
Oh,
little
that's
stitch
so
minders in there.
cute.
It's so cute. I'm running out of space. I
Yeah.
may have to get a bigger metal box
Oh yeah.
for my things. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, that's what I'm working on right now for Valentine's. So just super cute, and I love the florals.
I know, me too. I'm still working on the Ingrid's wildflowers. I feel like I started, I was on a roll, and then I just stopped. And I need to get right back into it because I'm like, oh, come on.
That's the fun part with embroidery, though. You can, and I've done the same thing. I started with the Ingrids, and I've got a lot of that done. But then I moved on. I did a bunch for Halloween, and then some other fall things, and different projects through Christmas.
Yeah,
So-
I did start the Christmas one. I did quite a few with the Christmas, but I also have not finished that one.
But it's easy to set it aside and pick
Yes.
it back up, and it's
Yeah.
timeless.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So for National Embroidery Month, if you haven't started embroidering yet, which you and I have, but this is our beginner kit, and it has everything you need to start. It's fantastic. Natalie has all of the tutorials for the stitches, so
Which
it
makes it so easy.
makes it
so nice.
And there's some projects in here for you, and patterns and peel and stitch. So everything you need to get started. So on your embroidery journey. And here's another thing that I've picked up. It's kind of fun. It's the Red, White, and Bloom kit, and it's the panel comes in this one, and you do like a stitch a day, not a stitch a day, but a flower a day on this. And as you can see, I have just barely started it.
Oh, cute.
So you can just do random. You just pick whatever you want to do for the day, and yeah,
I love it.
There's always something.
Oh yeah.
In handiwork.
There's lots of fun projects and little things here and there and everywhere.
Mm-hmm. And if you just have a few minutes on your day, this is really easy to pick up.
Yeah. It's a good couch project.
Mm-hmm. Very good couch project. That's the, watching a video and doing this. It's just nice, quiet things to do in the cozy season,
yes. Right? Oh, yeah.
So, February with Valentine's Day.
Yeah, we're getting close to Valentine's Day.
Mm-hmm.
Is there like a favorite Valentine's project or like little family traditions or things that you remember and really like about Valentine's Day around this time of year?
When my girls were little, Valentine's Day was super fun because we would make the little Valentine's boxes for school. And it was a big deal to go to the store and pick out the Valentines that you were going to give to all your friends. And, then it was like, no, sweetie, you can't just give them to your best friends. You have to have one for everybody.
One for everyone.
I remember when they were tiny, it was like, I only have, we're going to do it for the whole class.
Yep.
Yeah, so I remember that. Excited. One year we did the tiny little Play-Dohs for everybody in the class, and candy and,
it's so fun. I do remember I remember making them myself in elementary school, but my little siblings, when they were in elementary school, I think I had gotten into middle school and high school when they were still doing them, and I remember like being so excited to help them make their boxes and get their Valentines, and it was so fun. And when I taught for a few years, we did all those, and I loved helping the students with those and making little Valentines for my kids too. It's a fun
craft for them.
And
I kind of miss that,
Yeah.
Now that my babies are all grown up, so
we should do that. We should start making Valentine's boxes and just bringing them around.
Put them on our desk.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's do it.
That'll be a thing next year.
Yes, new tradition. Let's do it.
That works.
Well, okay. How has like quilting or creating or just kind of the creative process brought you closer to love? Like how can we what do you think the creative process and stuff kind of relates to love?
Well, I'm a giver,
Mm-hmm.
So I think all quilters and creators are.
Yes.
So we don't make a lot of projects for ourselves. We make them for other people.
Oh yeah, yes, Guilty.
Yes. So it's wonderful. I've made a couple of scarves this year. Just the little. Not for a specific holiday, right? Just here you go, love you.
Yeah.
I love making hats. They're just a real. In crochet, right? Because it's easy, it's mindless, and I've made so many hats. I can just.
That's so fun.
Yeah, it's so fun. Just making something for the people that you love. Currently, when you're a creator, you probably understand this. Your family and friends will come to you and say, "Hey, could you make me this?"
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
So this is a real labor of love right now. One of my daughters said, "Hey, for my birthday, I would love for you to make me a quilted coat."
Ooh.
So,
that's quite the project.
Teresa Coates in her elemental jacket. Yeah, that's my next big project. It's
That's exciting.
I know. I'm like, well, I've never done that before.
But worth a shot.
It's worth a shot. It's a big birthday gift.
Yeah.
So,
it's fun to get creative, finding those new projects. It's fun.
Yeah, so that's going to be my newest big project.
Yeah. Speaking of other big projects, is there anything else you've been working on and fun things like that?
Yes.
Yeah.
I have been for quite a while. I think it's going to take a lot longer. I've been working on the Tula Pink English paper piecing palette pop. This is the second section that I just finished a couple of days ago. And that will go on to the first section, which is right here.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful.
I love this so much. I love it so much.
It's so beautiful.
And when you get it all together, all of these little pieces just just fit together, and then I'll make the next section. I think there are 6 total sections.
That is so cute. I love the bright colors. It's so happy.
It is very happy, and all of the white has the white on the tone on tone, some birds, and there's an owl and little raindrops and stars. So
let's look at that white on white.
I know.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Isn't that pretty?
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, I love this. It's one of those projects it's going to take a while because I made Christmas, right?
Yeah.
So I had to put this away so I could make a gift for every grandchild, and and for my children, I handmade gifts. It's kind of what we do. So
oh yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, takes a little time. So you put this away and you work on the other things, and then you bring it back out.
Pull it back out, work on it a little bit here and there.
Yeah, so that's my creative process.
I love that.
It's all over the place.
I love it. So you did talk about some of like your crochet and other things. So you have a lot of different creative like outlets. You've got a lot of different creative things that you can do creatively. So do you prefer to crochet over knitting, or do you do both?
I do both, but I don't knit as much as I crochet.
Yeah.
I like to think of myself as a very beginner knitter.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But everyone says, what's the first thing you made? And I'm like, I made a pair of socks. And they're like, that's not a beginner project.
I wouldn't say that's a beginner project either.
But I like to knit socks.
Yeah, that's so cool. That's something that my sister crochets a lot. And it's something that I've tried to kind of pick up, and I always get a little bit confused with it. But it's something that hopefully one of these days I can start picking up.
My mother did it.
Yeah.
And I would watch her when I was little bitty, and it just seemed like magic. And
it's so fun.
Yeah, it's so fun. And she taught me. And then, of course, as I was a teenager, didn't care about it, grew up, had my own kids. And then it took time to get back into the handwork.
It is kind of cool how all of the creative outlets and the different things that we can do kind of do go up and down through time.
Yeah.
Where it's kind of hot and heavy for a period of our lives, and then kind of slow down, and then they pick back up. I do love that.
Yeah, this is the season of my life where I'm like, try everything.
Yes, yes. I love it. That's kind of me too right now.
Working here, it is almost impossible not to try everything.
Oh yeah, I feel like I'm constantly setting things aside. I'm like, I'll buy that later. I'll try that later.
my big problem is I'm the daily deal lady. And so I see all the deals, and I'm like, oh, I have to have that one. And I know people laugh because I'm like, oh, I really love this one, and I really love that. I really love it.
But I'm honest.
I know.
It's truthful.
It's truthful.
I love it all.
I love it all, and you can tell.
Oh, I love it. Well, I think we touched on all the things, and
it's
so fun.
And it's cozy season.
Oh yeah.
So you and I had talked separately about New Year's resolutions, and I'm like, it just doesn't feel right to me in the winter. And my resolution in the winter is a blanket and some hot tea, and just
to get cozy, to relax, do nothing.
That's right. Read a book, do some handiwork.
Yes.
Yeah. Springtime. That's when.
That. Maybe I'll get more active then. Yeah. I agree.
We'll
we
check in.
Yeah.
We'll see how the spring for us.
We'll talk about that later.
When there's some sunshine and warmth.
Yes. When I feel like I don't need to be staying at home in my bed, but it's okay. Oh, I love it. Well,
I think that should be about it.
Yeah.
So, thanks for coming and visiting with me. It's always fun.
Thank you. And I hope everyone has a happy Valentine's Day and stays warm and cozy and safe during this winter season that we're still having.
That's right. Still, but
we're so close. We're close.
That's right. That's right. Well, thanks, Katie. Have a great day.
See ya.